All right, let's talk about how you're actually going to make money in 2026. This isn't just theory. This is a practical guide for building an income strategy that's ready for the future, based on all the huge shifts happening in tech and how we work.
So, what's your paycheck going to look like in a couple of years? It's a huge question, right? And spoiler alert, the answer probably isn't a single job. In the next few minutes, we're going to lay out a clear, actionable roadmap for you to build your 2026 income. So, the way we're going to tackle this is with something called the income stack approach. Think of it in 3 layers. First, we secure money right now. Then, we build things that can grow on their own. And finally, we make all that money start working for you. It's the whole journey from earning today to building real wealth tomorrow. All right, section 1. Let's start with the foundation. This is all about what you can do today to get reliable cash flowing in. You're basically trading your skills and your time for money. This is the solid base that we're going to build everything else on top of. You know, the most straightforward way to get started is freelancing. And thanks to awesome platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, your clients aren't just in your city anymore, they're all over the world. You can tap into this massive global market that is just hungry for people with the right skills. And if you look at this list, what do you see? It's this awesome mix of tech and creative skills. Whether you're a developer who knows React, a designer who can create amazing user experiences, a writer who gets SEO, or someone who can edit killer short-form videos, these are the exact skills that companies are paying big money for as we speak. And look, this isn't just theory. The potential here is absolutely real. Just take UI/UX design, a single, well-crafted landing page for a new startup. That could easily net you anywhere from $100 to $500. That's not just pocket change. That's the kind of solid income that helps you build that financial base, one project at a time. Okay, now let's talk about the next level of skills, AI and automation. And I don't just mean using tools like ChatGPT for yourself. I'm talking about using these tools to create things that other people and businesses will actually pay you for. It's like this whole new market for AI as a service is just exploding. So what does that actually look like? Well, you could become a super efficient copywriter using AI to deliver great content way faster. Or you could become an automation expert using tools like Zapier to connect a business's apps and save them tons of time. You could even build a whole business just teaching other people how to use these AI tools effectively. And the value here is just undeniable. Think about it from a business owner's perspective. They would happily pay you somewhere between, say, 10 to 25,000 rupees for a single project if it means they never have to manually do a tedious task like invoicing ever again. You're not just selling a service, you're selling them their time back. But hey, not everything has to be online, right? Don't forget about your own backyard. Your local community can be a really powerful source of income too. There's real money to be made just by tapping into what people need right around you. I'm talking about stuff like food delivery, maybe renting out some camera gear you have, or even helping a local shop with their Instagram. You can easily pull in an extra 500 to 2,000 rupees a day part-time. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's something you can start literally tomorrow. Okay, so you've got your foundation, you're bringing in steady cash. Now let's get to the really exciting part, the accelerator. This is the second layer of our stack. It's where we shift our mindset from just doing the work to building assets that can make money for you even when you're sleeping. One of the most powerful assets you can build today is content. Seriously, when you create videos on YouTube or posts on Instagram about something you're genuinely interested in, you start to build an audience. And an audience, well, that is an asset you can monetize in a whole bunch of different ways. And this is the beauty of it, right? You're not just relying on one thing. You can earn money from ads, you can get brand sponsorships, you can make commissions from affiliate marketing, and this is a big one, you can sell your own products to your audience. It's all about having multiple streams of income.
And you know what else is an amazing digital asset? Your brain. Seriously. If you have a skill that people want, like any of those freelance skills we talked about earlier, you can package that knowledge up into an online course and sell it over and over again.
And this is where you really see the power of building an asset. Let's do some quick math. You create a course once, you sell it for just under 1,000 rupees, you get 200 students to buy it, and bam, that's nearly 2 lakh rupees. Your time could never scale like that, but an asset, like a course, can.
So let's just quickly break down a few of the big opportunities here. You've got e-commerce, where you can sell products without ever touching them yourself. You've got digital products, like templates or ebooks, which is the classic make once, sell forever model. And then for you tech folks, there's micro sauce. building a small, simple software that solves a very specific problem for a monthly subscription fee.
All right, we've reached the top of our stack, the multiplier. This is the end game. You've used your skills to earn active income, and you've used that to build assets. Now, we take the money from those first two layers and we put it to work so it starts growing all on its own. We're talking about investing, of course, and don't let that word scare you. All that really means is using your money to make more money. This is the crucial step that shifts you from just earning a living to actually building long-term wealth. This is how your capital does the heavy lifting for you.
And the cool thing is, investing today isn't what it used to be. It's so much more accessible. You can start with simple, low-risk index funds. You can actually own a piece of real estate with just a small amount of money. There are even AI-powered robo-advisors that can manage everything for you.
And I really want you to hear this next part because it's crucial. Even 5,000 rupees a month compounds massively by 2030. The biggest myth about investing is that you need a ton of cash to start. You absolutely don't. The real power is consistency, because a small amount invested regularly will grow into something huge over time. That's the magic of compounding.
Okay, and this is the whole point, the crucial takeaway from all of this. The real magic isn't in picking just one of these things. The real strategy, the game changer, is to combine them into a system where each layer supports and feeds the next one.
So let's paint a picture of how this actually works. Step 1, your foundation. You're freelancing with your React skills, bringing in a steady 60,000 rupees a month. Step 2, the accelerator. You use that same expertise to create and sell digital templates, and that adds another 20K a month. And step 3, the multiplier. You take 10,000 rupees from your total income and you automatically invest it every single month. See how it all connects? That is the income stack in action. So as we wrap this up, I want you to stop thinking about your income as just one thing, like a single salary. By 2026, your income should be a system that you design and build. So the only question left is, what's the very first piece of your system that you're going to start building today?